welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to be doing a super quick crochet braid hairstyle. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to start by making the braid pattern. So I'm currently trying to get over a stubborn cold. As you can see, my nose is blocked and I'm trying see if I can do a voiceover once this video is done. If not, bear with me guys. Okay, so I'm done with the braid pattern. It's a very simple braid pattern. This is it right here. This is the back. So now I'm gonna crochet the hair. Okay. Have the hair. Okay. So I'm not going to be separating the hair. I'm just gonna crochet it like this. This is it right here. I'm gonna start from the back. So for the back, you can space it out as much as you want, okay, because the hair is fluffy and it will cover up the gap, so don't use too much hair. So I skipped the second curl row right there, and just skip this one, place one right here. Here, remember I skipped this line, so I'm going to place one right here. You can see that covers the space right there. Okay, so this is 3 packs of hair. The way it's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair and I love it. I love it. And look at this. Okay. Place it close to the edge. There. To fill in the space. Pull the base or the roots apart like this. Okay, just like that. You don't need to cut it. You can flip it around. Doing the same thing, I'm gonna fluff out the roots to help cover up the space. Okay. I'm done crocheting the hair. This is the front right here. Now I'm gonna undo the twist in front and also fix the hair. Try to blend it with my own hair. Alright, I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner. brush to root down. So when you add your hair, it blends perfectly. So you just do a back one. Okay, so this is the side part. I'm going to show you guys the middle part. So to flip it to the middle part, I'm just going to take the strands and move them over like this. Okay, because I'm not combing the hair. Just going to move it over like this. Ooh. Okay. So if you want less hair, you can definitely use less hair. So for this hairstyle, I use 5 packs of the Afro braided hair. You can use 3 or 4 depending on how full you want the hair. So with this, you don't need a sweater. You don't need no sweater this season. You just need a puffy hair like this. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, okay? And also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.